In BILLMASTER, you may find that you have to alter one of the reports that are produced. Typically, the billing and invoice statement may require movement for the name and address to fit inside the windows for your windowed envelope. It is already preset for the standard size double windowed envelope, but again, yours may be different. Let's show you how to do that. Simply select any account and go to Bills, Produce Bills. From this screen, you'll notice that there's a checkbox that says Run Report Designer when OK is pressed. This appears on most screens in BILLMASTER before a report is printed. It will allow whatever the report that is about to be printed to be opened up in the Report Designer, thus allowing you to alter that template, save it for yourself, and then use that as the default template for all your future printing needs. So let's just do that. Let's check the box for Run Report Designer and press OK. You'll notice that it's loaded on your screen. This is the Report Designer. There is additional tutorials in BILLMASTER on how to use it, but essentially it's typical of other applications such as Word. What you see is what you get, or as WYSIWYG as we refer to it commonly. If we wanted to alter something on this template, we would just simply click on that object and change it. So instead of saying billing period, I'll say billing period for bill or statement. And I'll even change that font size so it fits within it. Then I'm going to save it as a file. Typically, files are saved on the C drive or any drive in the BM custom folder. The files are very small in nature. It's going to give you a default name. You can name that anything you like. I'm going to keep it as BillStyle04 as it's shown and hit save. And now it's saved it as the file. So when you go back into BILLMASTER and you're going to produce bills again, use the truck icon to select that template. We're going to select item number 4, which is the bill style that we were printing with, and then click on the default layout and select the item that we just created in terms of that new template style, which is bill style number 4, and hit open. And now just press OK. Notice that the name is now appearing here in this text box. That means when this is going to be printed, instead of using the internal format for the bill, it's going to be overridden by the style that we just created. So we'll just press OK. And notice that it says billing period for statement on the invoice, showing you that it's using the new style that we just created. If you needed to move these address boxes up or down or for any other positioning, you would simply go into the Report Designer and move them accordingly. Again, you're in full control of what comes out of this in BILLMASTER. There are also some built-in billing settings that alter the print in BILLMASTER without having for you to create that style. They're held under the Print Billing Settings button. If you press that, you will notice that the major line items on the invoice or statement are shown on the right-hand side. You're allowed to change the font and text color of these items, along with a different font style as well. So it's color, font style, and size for each of the items that are shown. And then when you click on the radio button on the right, it shows you what the current setting for it is. So if you were to change your company name and have it appear in dark green and bold, you notice that it's changed to dark green and bold over here. And press OK. And notice that I changed it to green. Oh, actually, I changed the company address to green. Thank you for using BILLMASTER software.